In this video, I'll show how to buy shares of Gaotu Techedu Inc., explaining the steps to purchase GOTU listed on NASDAQ. Gaotu is an online education company focused on digital tutoring and learning services. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To start, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to walk through the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with a government ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GOTU to locate Gaotu Techedu Inc. Confirm you've selected the correct listing from the search results before continuing. On the asset page, check basic company details and the price chart to confirm it is the Gaotu Techedu Inc. listing. Make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker is GOTU before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order summary and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order depending on your choice. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can track it. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown.